executable. When you open up the executable and also have the DVD ISO ready, now you want to insert your USB flash drive. You want to find it, select it, and for the settings, you want to just leave the basic settings, but the file system NTFS and the cluster size can be default. But you want to scroll down here, click that disk button, and select your Windows 10 Insider Preview ISO file. Now after you get that ISO file, then once everything is done, then you can start the program and it'll start creating the USB bootable flash drive of Windows 10. When you do this, it will format everything on that USB flash drive, so make sure you don't have anything important on there because everything will be deleted. And this might take about 15 minutes, so we'll come back. Once Rufus finishes, it will say done, and then you can exit the program and also safely eject your USB flash drive. Once you eject your USB flash drive, then we can just go ahead and restart our computer and install Windows 10 Preview. Immediately when you reboot your computer, make sure you press F12 or F2 to get to the boot menu. On different computers, that key to get to the boot menu is different. You can also maneuver to the boot menu via setup. You'll find USB storage device to be able to boot into, and then you just press enter, press any key to boot from USB.